Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Maneater Mascara is probably one of the most talked about mascaras in the beauty community, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this iconic product from Tarte, exploring its claims of volumizing, lengthening, and all-day wear. I'll share my personal experience, discussing the application process, the impact on my lashes, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Get ready to find out if this mascara is a must-have for your makeup bag. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. This mascara is the secret to achieving that classic French beauty look. With just one coat, it defines and adds volume to your lashes, creating a stunning effect. Want even thicker lashes? You can build the look for a more dramatic effect. It's lightweight and won't clump, giving you a soft, natural look. This formula is smudge-proof and designed to last all day without flaking or transferring. Say hello to length, thickness, and volume that stays put. The petite wand makes it easy to coat every lash. And when it's time to remove it, the mascara comes off easily with makeup remover, without damaging your lashes. We stand behind our products with a satisfaction guarantee. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. What we like? This mascara gives you defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat, perfect for a natural look. Its lightweight formula ensures no clumps, making application a breeze. If you're looking for an everyday mascara that enhances your lashes without feeling heavy, you should consider this one. What people say. The mascara is buildable and doesn't clump. The wand is great and separates the lashes. It makes my lashes look long and full. Number 4. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Discover the secret to French beauty with this classic mascara. It provides defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat, creating a soft, natural look. This mascara builds the look for even thicker, fanned lashes. It's lightweight and clump-free, ensuring your lashes look perfect all day long. The smudge-proof and long-lasting formula won't flake or transfer. Say hello to length, thickness, and volume that lasts all day long. It's easy to apply with a petite wand that coats every lash. You'll love how easy it is to achieve a flawless look. This product is cruelty-free and never tested on animals. It's also easy to remove with a makeup remover without damaging your lashes. We stand behind our products with a hassle-free return policy. You can be confident in your purchase. What we like? This black mascara offers defined and voluminous lashes, achieving a soft, natural look. With its smudge-proof and long-lasting formula, it stays put all day. If you like a classic black mascara that's easy to apply and remove, this is a great choice. What people say. The first time I tried it, my lashes looked amazing. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. It is ink black. I didn't realize that a lot of my black mascaras weren't this black, lol. The formula isn't too wet or too dry, but it leans more towards to wet side, if that makes sense. It goes on very nicely and separates my lashes. It dries completely, and the part that impressed me the most is it dries so soft. No crunchy stiff lashes. No clumping. It is the least mascara looking mascara I've tried in terms of finished texture of your lashes. I have blonde and visible lashes naturally, so it is awesome that this mascara makes them so dark and natural looking. Number 3. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Want luxurious, dramatic volume and length instantly? This mascara's lightweight formula delivers effortless glamour with every swipe. There are no clumps, just perfect lashes. The sophisticated wand guarantees smooth, precise application from root to tip. It is easily removed, making your beauty routine feel premium and gentle. It's especially suitable for mature women, offering control and definition without irritation. This mascara is flake-resistant, smudge-proof, and ultra-comfortable. It stays put throughout the day, perfect for those who love trending makeup. It is designed for modern lash routines. Thoughtfully crafted for gentle daily wear, this clean, vegan, and cruelty-free mascara is suitable for sensitive eyes. This reflects a commitment to responsible, modern beauty. Unlock stunning lashes effortlessly with just one coat. Designed for intense length, bold volume, and a telescopic effect, this mascara elevates everyday and special moments alike. What we like? This waterproof mascara delivers dramatic volume and length while being gentle on your eyes. It's designed to stay put all day, perfect for those who want a reliable, smudge-proof option. If you're looking for a mascara that can withstand any weather and keep your lashes looking flawless, you should consider this one. What people say. It has a fine, precise wand, and it doesn't flake. It makes my eyelashes look long and full. The waterproof formula is great because once it dries, it doesn't budge. Very good products, great coverage, no clumping, lashes are defined beautifully, love the short bristles, much easier to apply, also more precise. Number 2. LAVONE 2-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE Eyebrow Kit. This kit instantly defines and fills in your brows. It takes just 1 minute to create flawless, natural-looking brows. This innovative dual-ended eyebrow pencil features a 4-tip microblading design. It allows you to create realistic, hair-like strokes. It's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof. The microblade eyebrow pen isn't just for brows. You can also use it to fill in hairlines, and draw eyelashes and eyeliner. The waterproof liquid pen is flexible and easy to use. The LAVONE Eyebrow Pomade keeps your brows in place all day. Its highly pigmented formula is long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof. It's perfect for any activity. The LAVONE Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner has an ultra-precise tip. It's flexible and easy to use. You can control the thickness of your lines to achieve your desired look. The LAVONE Brow Pen Makeup Kit includes a brow pencil, brow pomade, eyeliner, and a dual-ended brush. It also comes with a convenient zipper pouch for on-the-go use. Get yours today. What we like. This kit includes a 2-in-1 microblading pen, eyebrow pomade, eyeliner, and a dual-ended brush. It allows you to effortlessly outline, define, and fill in your brows for a natural look. If you are looking for a complete kit to achieve flawless brows and define your eyes, you should consider this one. What people say. The dual brush that comes with it works great, too. It includes a fine brush on one side for detail work, and a spoolie brush on the other for combing and setting hairs in place. The pen creates a very fine line without being gloppy and smearing like others I've used. Everything is really smudge waterproof. I say really because you really gotta rub hard to scrub the products off after you let it dry. It only barely smudges, including the eyeliner. The brow pomade and ink pen are very buildable. If you're like me and are looking for very light brow colors, this is honestly perfect. I have blonde hair and grayish-brown eyebrows, so I need something not so bold. And I love the bead inside the ink pen. And instructions on what to do if your ink dries out. Number 1. Tarte Big Ego Mascara, Ultra Black, Vegan Mascara. Are you ready for a lash transformation? This mascara is designed to give you the fuller, longer lashes you've always dreamed of. It's the perfect way to enhance your natural beauty. The ultra black pigment provides intense color. It will make your eyes pop and create a dramatic look. It's the perfect way to make a statement. This mascara is designed to last all day. You can go from morning to night without worrying about smudging or flaking. It's a reliable choice for any occasion. This mascara is both vegan and cruelty-free. You can feel good about using a product that aligns with your values. It's a win-win for your lashes and the planet. Experience the power of volumized lashes. This mascara adds incredible volume, making your lashes look thick and full. It's the secret to a stunning eye look. What we like. This mascara offers ultra black, long wear, and is vegan and cruelty-free. It provides fuller, longer, and volumized lashes. If you like a mascara that delivers intense color and volume while aligning with your values, you should consider this one. What people say. It is not chunky, which is a significant advantage as it ensures a natural look. The mascara does not clump, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a smooth application. Gives awesome volume, length, and washes off easily at the end of the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.